Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, front fog lights, a tonneau cover, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call